Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, we discussed writing a letter to share your thinking about a book that you're reading. And as a class, you discussed some different things that you could tell in the letter, like how the story reminds you of your life, how the story made you feel, parts that you found funny, why you chose the book, and you made a list of lots of different things. Your teacher probably also shared a letter back with you that was written with some of these things in it. So this letter would be an example of it. It says, "Dear class, I really enjoyed reading Last Day Blues. This book is in my favorite series, Mrs. Hartwell's Classroom Adventures, and I was excited to see what would happen next. This story was interesting to me because, like Mrs. Hartwell, I am a teacher. This book reminded me of my own life. Like Mrs. Hartwell, I feel sad at the end of the year because I know I will miss my students. But, like Mrs. Hartwell, I look forward to summer vacation. It made me laugh at the end of the book when the teachers were dancing because they were excited about summer vacation. In my opinion, Julie Danneberg is a very funny writer. Her books often have surprise endings. Were you surprised by anything in the book?" So this is a letter, and use this letter as an example of a letter that you're going to write today. So you and a partner should have discussed the can man and should have discussed maybe some things that you could write about. So during your independent reading time today, I want you to write a letter about the can man. Make sure that you include some of these things that you discussed as a class and be ready to share your letter when you come back together.